before you start exploCFD, make sure that you go to the folder where it's installed and seek out this file here, settings.xml. You should have already installed uh, SU2 and ParaView. And when then edit this settings.xml and make sure that the path to SU2 between these two markers here, path to SU2 and path to SU2, in other words, this stuff here, this should point to where your SU2 CFD executable exists. Also, between path to ParaView and path to ParaView should point to where your ParaView executable exists. Make sure those are correct, edit them, because they'll be different for different computers depending on where you've installed them. Save your update, and then you're ready to go.